To start with this topic, we have to discuss first the 9 realms, which are all located within the Yggdrasil tree, a cosmic connection that spans millions of galaxies, and we have come to that conclusion by watching the credit scenes of the first Thor movie. And it seems that the Yggdrasil tree is in fact a galactic supercluster, which looks very similar to the branches of a tree when viewed from afar. So here in this galactic supercluster known in the MCU as Yggdrasil, and in real life as maybe the Lanaya Kea, we have the Milky Way galaxy and a multitude of others. The Yggdrasil connects them all with 9 distant planets in 9 distant points of space-time, constituting the 9 realms. Firstly, we have Asgard. Home of the Asgardian gods, it is on the head of the Yggdrasil tree, away from any galaxy present in intergalactic space. It is a planetoid body that is spiral in shape with a center holding the city of Asgard. Second, we have Earth, home to humans and inhumans. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy, which is present in the center of the Yggdrasil supercluster. Then we have Vanaheim, home to the sister race of the Asgardians known as the Vanir. It is located in a yet unknown galaxy, but it is closer to the head of the Yggdrasil tree, close to Asgard. Then we have Alfheim, home to the Light Elves and Freya. It is further away from Asgard in the left end of the Yggdrasil galactic supercluster, seen once in the convergence during Thor the Dark World. Then we see Svartalfheim, a dark world orbiting a black hole close to intergalactic space and corroded with dark matter. This is home to the Dark Elves, and they evolved here under a more diverse table of elements. Then we come to the Nidavellir, home to the dwarves and the forge of the Asgardian weaponry. It is in an Alderson disk that orbits a neutron star, present in a yet unknown galaxy in the bottom left of the Yggdrasil supercluster. Then we come to Niflheim, also known as the location for Hell, present in the opposite end of Asgard in the Yggdrasil supercluster tree. It is here that Odin imprisons Hala in a world of darkness and lifelessness. Then we come to Jotunheim, home to the frost giants and a cascade of ancient winters. It is present in an unknown galaxy in the right end of the Yggdrasil supercluster. This world is a frozen planet. Then the last planet in the 9 realms is Muspelheim, home to Surtur and his fire demons. It is present in a yet unknown galaxy in the bottom right of the Yggdrasil's galactic supercluster. This planet is a hellish volcanic world. So now we come to the planets with coordinates, and we found out from the 3 or 4 initial numbers or alphabets in the coordinates that they match up with astronomical names for distant galaxies or star clusters, as well as constellations and other cosmic objects. For example, we checked out the officially stated location for planet Corbin, and it was said to be located in the Andromeda galaxy. It also has the coordinates M31V J00443799+4129236. Well, the first 4 alpha numerals are M31V, which coincides with the object Messier 31, which in real life is known as the Andromeda galaxy. So there we have it. First, we have Nowhere, now a mining colony, but it was once the head of a celestial. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy Delta Quadrant with coordinates M3RD17H17211+2121224, which is in the Messier 3 object, a globular star cluster 32,600 light-years away from Earth. Next we come to Berber, a planet where the Guardians of the Galaxy landed after being chased by the Sovereign, and it is in the Milky Way galaxy with coordinates M2022A 483-4I26+306-CA-I2 in the Messier 20 system, which is a star-forming nebula around 9,000 light-years away from Earth. Next we have Chronica 2, homeworld of the Chronicoms, an advanced race of intelligent beings that are artificial or synthetic. It revolves around a star in the Cygnus constellation 72 to 1800 light-years away from Earth in the Milky Way galaxy. Next we have Contraxia, a cold and icy planet that the Ravagers regroup and rest. It has the coordinates M155127-5127-31+X1955KX, which is in the Messier 15 system, which is a globular star cluster 33,600 light-years away from Earth. Now we come to Maverick, located in the Milky Way galaxy a few light-years away from Earth, and thousands of years ago it was home to an advanced utopian civilization that was destroyed by the inhuman hive that was exiled from Earth. Then we come to Hala. This is the Kree homeworld having the coordinates 8K1M YY67A47 plus 58E698L, which is yet undeciphered, but historically it has always been in the Large Magellanic Cloud, approximately 160,000 light-years away from Earth. Then after the Kree we have the Skrulls from Torfa. It is not the homeworld of the Skrulls but a planet where they inhabit, a stronghold for them. It is located in the border space of the Kree Empire with coordinates P137 T554112AS plus 600876 between the Milky Way and the Large Magellanic Cloud. Then let's travel far away to Zander, the homeworld of the Zandarians and also to many other species, as it is the capital of the Nova Empire with a population of 12 billion, having the coordinates M31V J00443799+4129236 plus 4127082, which means that it is in the Andromeda galaxy, also known as Messier 31V. Then we have Krylor, Arago 7 and Ascoveria, which are all part of the Nova Empire based on Zander, which means they are also in the Andromeda galaxy. Next we have Corbin. Well, in 2014, Corbin was attacked by Thanos and his Black Order and his army, who slaughtered half of the planet's population. It is in the Andromeda galaxy at an eclipsing star, a binary star system, with coordinates M31V J00443799+4129236. Then next we have Morag. This planet is where Star-Lord discovered the orb which houses the Power Stone. It is in the Andromeda galaxy in the same star system, the same binary star system as Corbin, with the same coordinates M31V J00443799+4129236. Then let's travel further away to the Sovereign. It is a collection of a lot of planets having the coordinates M495I0L339P21 plus H9LNL31, which is in the Messier 49 galaxy that is 56 million light-years away, home to Ayesha and the Sovereign people. Then we come to Vormir. This is a remote barren planet at the very center of celestial existence within the universe, where the Soul Stone was located. It is a strange planet that orbits a black hole, just like Svartalheim. Then we have Titan. Location yet unknown, but most probably in the Milky Way galaxy, back home, given the fact that Captain Marvel saved Iron Man in deep space and took him to Earth. Then we come to Ego, the living planet who awakened in deep space and located in a galaxy having coordinates G5222C848T12F plus E16UC22. It would be millions of light years away since Rocket Raccoon used the Universal Neural Teleportation Network and had to make 700 jumps to get there. Then next we have Planet 0259-S, distant unknown galaxy also known as Garden, the resting place of Thanos. This planet has a lush ecosystem and a vibrant atmosphere. It is a binary planet with a set of rings around it. And lastly we come to Sakhar. This is a battle world planet that is owned by one of the oldest beings in the universe, the Grand Master. This is an artificial planet created by the Grand Master in the Tayo star system and is surrounded by numerous wormholes that deposit space waste. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And anyway, with that we come to the end of it, so do hit that like button for support and subscribe as well to be a part of the MindQ family.